We already diced, dry and soluble soil extraction. Now we're using the SETT process, soil extraction transfer technology, using the RotoSETT machine. Drop something. And this is a wool rug for a client. Now it looks pretty clean, but I suspect it's going to be kind of dirty because it's a very old rug. I probably cleaned this about 6 years ago, and this has a lot of foot traffic on it. And we are done. I don't know if the lighting's very good in here. This is right after the SETT process. Looks really nice.